I am in the right place, at the right time, doing the right thing. Remember, you have been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Try approving of yourself and see what happens. You have the power to heal your life, and you need to know that. We think so often that we are helpless, but we're not. We always have the power of our minds. Claim and consciously use your power. Every thought we think is creating our future. Love is the great miracle cure. Loving ourselves works miracles in our lives. I do not fix problems. I fix my thinking. Then problems fix themselves. I am willing to release the need to be unworthy. I am worthy of the very best in life. And I now lovingly allow myself to accept it. I say, out, to every negative thought that comes to my mind. No person, place, or thing has any power over me, for I am the only thinker in my mind. I create my own reality and everyone in it. All is well, everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this situation, only good will come. I am safe. It will work miracles in your life.